Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on Ecosystem Restoration in 350 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Essay on Ecosystem Restoration. Introduction. Today, the Earth ecosystem has completely gone awry. Statistics show that 45% of the world's wildlife and 12% of plant species have decreased. These figures show that the number of trees, tiger, lion, deer and other wonderful wildlife among us is continuously decreasing or is on the verge of extinction. Due to this, the balance of nature has deteriorated. Therefore, in order to maintain the balance of life in the earth, it is very important to preserve the animals, trees and plants. For this, the United Nations General Assembly declared 2021-30 as the United Nations Decade on Ecological or Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration is the actual project or process by restoration practitioners which is to renew and restore ecosystem and habitat damaged or destroyed in the environment by active human intervention and action. On 1st March 2019, the United Nations General Assembly declared the year 2021-30 as the United Nations Decade on the Ecosystem Restoration. There are many types of projects involved in ecological or ecosystem restoration. First, erosion control. Second, removal of non-native species and weeds. Third, the reintroduction of native species. Fourth, reforestation. Fifth, delighting streams. Sixth, revegetation of disturbed area. 7. Habitat and range improvement for targeted species, etc. For many researchers, local communities should be involved in reforms for the ecological restoration of target species. They call this social ecological restoration. Motive or objective or goal. Creating a world for a decade where the relationship between humans and nature is restored for the health and well-being of all beings on earth, both in the present and in the future. The aim is to increase the area of healthy ecosystem and reduce environmental degradation, enhancing global, regional, national and local community to help prevent, halt and reserve ecosystem degradation. Develop and apply an understanding of ecosystem restoration to education system and decision making across all public and private sectors. Conclusion. There is a need for agricultural land and infrastructure on land that was once a forest. Ecosystem restoration, such as societies, need to adapt to the changing climate. With such understanding and contribution, there will be no harm to any animal, plants, and human life. By doing this, our earth will always be safe for all. Thank you for watching.